Going to do a unboxing video of the Corsair K55 RGB keyboard. Open it up for you. See what we think right now. Hey everybody, P Daddy Tech here, doing another unboxing video of the Corsair K55 keyboard. And if you haven't been to our channel before, we're all about fun tech stuff and different ways to use it, and just showing some of those products that you're seeing on Amazon and eBay. So this is another one of those. Thanks for watching. Show you right now. All right, so it's all set up, plugged in, taken out of the box. The only thing I haven't done is remove the plastic here, because I am going to test this before I decide for sure if I'm going to keep it, like I'm sure a lot of you guys do when you get a tech product. In this case, I've got two keyboards coming so that we can side by side compare them and decide which one's the best. First one I ordered had another gaming keyboard, a 60%, and it rhymed with Red Wagon. And it was extremely loud. Okay, the clicks in the keyboard, you could hear them a mile away. Upstairs or in the office down the hall, everybody, including into the mic. So kids are here this morning. It's Sunday morning. But the clicks were just an audio and video person's nightmare. So this is a lot quieter. You can still hear them. There's good response, but this is a membrane keyboard, not mechanical. But it's got the mechanical feel. And I think it's really great. One of the reasons I bought this one was the 6 programmable macro buttons here for gaming and OBS scenes. So you could just tap that, use that like a Stream Deck, switch scenes in OBS real quickly. It's got this wrist guard here, or wrist rest, I guess it is. It's plastic. It's pretty flimsy and it just barely snaps on. So I would say this may not last long, and it really doesn't provide a lot of comfort. So that was one of the reasons I ordered it, and I'm not sure that if that's one reason to keep it. This is a $50 keyboard. The other one we've got coming is a PicTech, which is about $30. So it has a phone holder here, but it doesn't have the macro buttons, so that may be important. We'll find out. But my review so far is that this is plug and play, super quiet, cool colors. Haven't played with all the color combinations yet, so I'll get to that later. If it's a keeper, we'll make a little bit longer video. And upcoming soon is a more detailed video on this pile mixer. So if you want to see that, subscribe to the channel, see my next video. But for now, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. That's it. That's the review of the Corsair K55 RGB keyboard. P Daddy Tech. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.